B R A V E.
Brave. Brave. Have. Fire. The firefighters are brave. They have put out the fire.
C L U M S Y.
Clumsy. Clumsy. Little. Oh, clumsy little Crunchy. The food has fallen everywhere.
H U G E.
Huge. Huge. The red ball is so huge.
H A P P Y.
Happy. Happy. Will. Cake. Gobble is very happy today. He will eat cake.
C U T E.
Cute. That. Cute. Munchie thinks that the seals are so cute.
L I T T L E.
Little. Happy. Little. Big Gobble is happy to see Little Gobble.
T I R E D.
Tired. Tired. Long. Gulpy and Gobble are tired after their long hike.
S A D.
Sad. Sad. Today. They. Crunchy and Gobble are sad because they are not feeling well today.
R E A C H.
Reach. Reach. The taxi helped the chomping monsters reach the airport.
D R I V E.
Drive. Always. Drive. Munchie says that he always wanted to drive a car.
S W E A T.
Sweat. Summer. Sweat. Over. It's a hot summer day. The monsters have sweat all over their faces.
C O L L E C T.
Collect. Near. Collect. Gulpy is near the conveyor belt to collect his bag.
T E A C H.
Teach. Teach. Right. Gulpy is going to teach Gobble the right way to put on the seatbelt.
W A L K.
Walk. Walk. Crunchy is going to walk towards Munchie's house.
W A V E.
Wave. There. Wave. Wave. Gulpy and Gobble wave at their friends.
W A I T.
Wait. Wait. Gulpy is going to wait for the bus at the bus stop.
H A L T.
Halt. Bring. Halt. The monsters bring the train to a halt at the station.
R U M B L E.
Rumble. Tummy. Rumble. Time. Gobble's tummy begins to rumble loudly. It's lunchtime.
D R E A M.
Dream. Asleep. Dream. Munchie falls asleep and starts to dream of ships and treasures.
S L E E P.
Sleep. Tired. Sleep. Crunchy was tired, so he went to sleep.